Hey, it's Simple Science Friday again. Last week's experiment was kind of long and drawn out, lots of steps. This week we have two that are super simple. They're both about acids and bases, about how they react with one another. Yeah? You're ready to do it? Okay, Juliet is ready to do it. We have baking soda, which is a really strong base. We have vinegar, which is a really strong acid. We have a homemade funnel out of a piece of paper, a Gatorade bottle that we rinsed out, and a balloon. We're going to put the baking soda in, the strong base, the strong acid, the vinegar in, and as soon as we do that, we're going to try and put this balloon over the top so that we can see it blow the balloon up. Now these balloons are kind of big, so they might not blow all the way up, but if you have the little ones, they'll definitely blow all the way up. All right, I'm ready for the baking soda. Very careful, very nice. Did it all come out? Yep, we gotta shake it a little bit. Good job. Okay, actually, can you pour the vinegar in there too, and I will immediately get the thing ready? Oh! Come on. Oh, we gotta shake it up a little bit. Yep, if we had a smaller balloon, it would be all the way, but this one's kind of tough. And what happens when these two meet up, the strong acid and the strong base, is they make CO2 gas. Just like when you open a soda and that you take in a big breath, sometimes you'll go, because that carbonation, well, it's not just carbonation, there's CO2 gas there too. But anyways, it's kind of blown up. Okay, for our next one, there's another really strong acid, like the citric acid in oranges, and a strong base. Again, it is baking soda. Now I juiced one, and when I mix a little bit of it, probably can't see it, but it's already starting to kind of bubble and fizz, just like it did with the vinegar. For this one, we're going to make an orange fizz, or it works even better with lemons, to make a lemon fizz in your mouth. You get it just a little bit, you kind of put it across there, put it across your lemon, or your orange, sorry.
Yeah.
And then what do you do with it?
Put it in your mouth.
That's right. Go for it. No?
What does it taste like?
It tastes like an orange, a little bit like the baking soda, but you can definitely feel it pop and fizzle in your mouth like when you first open a soda. You want to try it?
I never had a soda.
Never had a soda. Well, try this then. Okay, did it pop and fizz in your mouth and bubble? It's kind of funny, isn't it? It works with oranges, lemons, limes, any kind of really high acidic fruit. You want to try this one? It's fun. Give it a try, and we will see you next Friday.